This video is a method of how to reset your Verizon Fios router. If you want to reset your Verizon Fios router, then here's how you do it. You should first locate your router, which looks like this. I believe you know what it already looks like. Next is find the reset button. As you can see here, we have the Ethernet LAN, which has 4 ports. We have the SSID label, we have the USB. We also have another Ethernet 1. We have the coax 1 and LAN. And right here, we can see the tiniest button, which is the reset button. We need to use a paper clip or pen, then press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that we need to release the button when the lights on the router starts to blink. That means the reset process has begun. Wait for about 2 to 5 minutes for the router to fully restart on its own. An important note is that this is a full factory reset, so if you reset that, it will erase your custom Wi-Fi name, your password, and you'll need to set it up all over again. That's all. You've successfully reset your Verizon Fios router.